Questions 27 to 31. Do the following statements agree with the claims of the writer? चले शुक्र है ऐसे आप भी मुकाने हैं. Yes, no, not given. ठीक है, अब जरा तगड़े हो जाएं. We are doing section 3. अब दिमाग काम करना छोड़ देगा. कईयों का वैसे ही नहीं आज कर रहा. ठीक है, कुछ बनाना बनने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. I understand. दिमाग में कुछ नहीं जा रहा. But anyways, mark the locations where there is the answer when you go back home after iftar. जब मौत पड़ेगी तो then you can do this. Okay. नींद ना आ रही हो, आइट्स का रीडिंग का एक टेस्ट सॉल्व करना शुरू करें. ऐसी पक्की नींद आएगी कि मैं कहता हूँ सुकून हो जाएगा. और अगर जल्दी सोना है तो सेक्शन 3 से स्टार्ट कीजिएगा. ठीक है, ये है. Alright. Question number 27. Doctors make decision. Now, first we read the title. Please, let's read the title. It's your choice or is it really? Now they say, it's your choice or is it really? Now let's see. As we move from the industrial age to the information age, societal demands on our mental capabilities are no less taxing. Means there are more demands on our minds, mental capabilities. Societal demands on our mental capabilities, no less taxing. So, doctors make decision according to the symptoms that a patient describes. Listen now, whenever you get yes, no, not given or true, false, not given, method is same. You got to convert it into if clause. For example, if doctors make decision, one part, according to the symptoms that patient describes. Patient says, doctor, I have got a headache. And the doctor is going to make a decision on that, then it is true. If doctors make decision on their own, not according to the symptoms the patient describes, they have their own finding. They check the patient, they test the reports and all that, and then they take it, then it is going to be no. And if they don't tell us how decisions are made, the point is doctor make decisions. If they don't tell us how decisions are made or whether doctor make decision according to the symptoms or according to something else, if this thing is not mentioned, then the answer is not given. This question is very confusing. Anyways, let's go back to first paragraph. We are constantly required to process a wide range of information to make decisions. Sometimes these decisions are trivial, such as what marmalade to buy. At other times, the stakes are higher, such as deciding which symptoms to report to the doctor. All right, I got it now. Which symptoms to report to the doctor? That being a patient, we have to see ये doctor को बताना है, ये नहीं बताना. Right? So they say here, such as deciding which symptoms to report to the doctor. However, the fact that we are accustomed to processing blah, blah, blah. Now listen, very simple. They say, such as deciding which symptoms to report to the doctor. We have to decide what to report to the doctor. But question is, doctors make decisions. They didn't mention anything about doctor making decision. They only say we have to decide which symptom we have to tell the doctor. अगर ज़्यादा बीमारियां बताऊंगा 2 टीके लगाएगा, अगर उससे ज़्यादा बताऊंगा ड्रिप भी लगाएगा. एंड यहाँ पे एक साहब गए डॉक्टर के पास, उसने इंजेक्शन लगाया, वो कहता है सही तरह ला, सुई पूरी अंदर पेज, आराम आए मैनू. Yeah, so people are like that. लगता है अगर इंजेक्शन छोटा है तो आराम नहीं आएगा. One of my cousins, he's a doctor. They've got a drip. In a village he was there, and the doctor who doesn't give injection, he's not a doctor there. तू का दा डॉक्टर ने टीका ही नहीं लांदा, something like that. So what they did, they had the drip of the liquid, and they filled from there, and they said now टीका लगा आराम आ गया. Okay, so now doctors make decisions. Have they mentioned anything that doctors make decision? Not at all. So the answer is not given. Now even I understand it now. Last time I got confused with it. होता है, मेरा भी कभी कभार ना डाउन टाइम चल रहा होता है. Question number 28. Our ability to deal with a lot of input material has improved over time. Now look here. Ability to deal with input material. If that ability has improved over time, answer is yes. If that ability has not improved, it has gone down, then the answer is no. And if they don't tell us, then it is not given. Improved over time is important. Improved over time. Same paragraph. However, the fact that, got it? However, the fact that we are accustomed to processing large amounts of information does not mean that we are better at it. We are accustomed, but it does not mean that we are better at it. Our ability has improved? No, it has not improved. He says does not mean or does not mean that we are better at it. Means the ability has not improved. So question number 28, answer is no. Clear? Question number 29. We tend to know when we have made an error of judgment. Now look here, very simple. We tend to know. Even if you don't know the meaning of tend ko kaat de. Just लिखे वहाँ पे, we know when we have made an error of judgment. Error of judgment means like आप कहीं से जा रहे हैं, एकदम गिर गए, किसी के साथ टकरा गए, दरवाजा बंद था, आपने टक्कर मार दी उसको अंधेरे में, something like that. So he says we know when we make error of judgment. If we know when we make error of judgment, answer is yes. If we don't know when we make an error of judgment, we judge something and we make a mistake there. If we don't know, then it is no. And if they don't tell us whether we know or not, then it is not given. So let's go back. Wow. 3 answers in 1 paragraph. Yeah, very next line. Our sensory and cognitive systems have systematic way of failing, of which we are often perhaps blissfully unaware. We are unaware. We don't know. Unaware means we don't know. And there this says we tend to know. Tend to know and unaware, they are opposite words. Hence the answer is no. Very good. Question number 30. A legal trial could be significantly affected by change blindness. Legal trial could be significantly affected. Legal trial is in the court. A trial is going on and they say could be significantly affected. Legal trial, hearing of a case can be affected by change blindness. Now we don't know what is change blindness. Let's look for change blindness. Very good. 3rd paragraph, and there we have change blindness. Okay. Yeah, change blindness is in the beginning. Now let's go for legal hearing, or they use the word legal trial. Legal trial. All right. Let's read it from the middle. However, 1, 2, 3, 4th last line. Found it? 4th last line. I'm reading it from here. 3rd paragraph, 4th last line. However, the identity of the burglar changed after the first half of the film, while the initial burglar was out of sight. Out of the 80 participants, 49, that is 61%, did not notice the change of burglar identity. They showed a movie, a clip. For example, CCTV camera footage. First the burglar was different. Burglar means nakab lagane wala, chor. First the burglar was different, and then they showed the same movie and they changed the burglar. So what happened? Burglar's identity, suggesting that change blindness may have serious implications on criminal procedures. Criminal procedure means legal trial. So change blindness may have serious implications for criminal proceedings. What's the question? A legal trial could be significantly affected by change blindness. Exactly. They changed the burglar and people did not even notice that. So a legal trial could be significantly affected by change blindness. I give you a very good example of change blindness. You know, in our childhood, we used to have 2 pictures, 2 identical pictures, and then they say, okay, spot the difference. So that is what we call change blindness. In the first sight, they look the same. Then we realize, okay, the color is different and this thing is different and that thing is different. So it's all about that. Question number 31. Scientists have concluded that we try to take in as much detail as possible from our surrounding. Now underline as much detail as possible, and scientists have concluded. Now listen. If we try to take in as much detail as possible from our surrounding, for example, you entered the room, you looked at the paint, color, multimedia, camera, the color of the table, the color of the chair, floor, marble or wooden, and people around, what color shirt he's wearing and all that. So they say that scientists have concluded that we try to take in as much detail as possible from our surrounding. If we try to take as much detail as possible from our surrounding, answer is yes. If we try to take a little detail, otherwise we are not concerned, then it is no. And if they don't tell us, then not given. Now please come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th paragraph. Title page, 5th paragraph. Drawing from change blindness research. Scientists. The clue word is scientist. Scientists have come to conclusion. Scientists have come to conclusion means scientists have concluded that we perceive the world in much less detail. We perceive the world in much less detail than previously thought. So, question is, take in as much detail. He says no. We perceive the world in much less detail than previously thought. So, this is the opposite thing. So, the answer is no. Very good. Question number 31. Answer is no. Got it? Okay.